location like Leaning Tower in Pisa and this one Leaning Tower in Dallas. So we decided to bring me here so we will have a picture, and of course I have a chance to show it to you guys. Now we get closer in this Leaning Tower of Dallas. Later I will show it to you guys. It's nice. Elevator. It's very horrible when I see that in TV when they upload. No, what do you call that? Implode. Why I use implode this building. It's full of smoke, dust. Now we get closer. We will take a video of this because today is the last day of this building, and tomorrow afternoon they're going to Wrecking Ball. So is that the singer of the Miley Cyrus? Miley Cyrus will ride in her wrecking ball to destroy totally that building. So guys, we are here in the Leaning Tower of Dallas. Where is it? Why I cannot find it in my camera? That one? That one in my oh, that one in top of my head. Have you seen that, guys? That's it. And there's a big crane on the top. Say hi, love. Hi. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. Like that.
You're blocking the whole tower.
No, that's it. Oh, hi. That's it. Okay, I will. Love, you showed you were leaning on the tower also. Come on, you get closer to the tower. Come on, you.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. You point again. You point again the Leaning Tower of Dallas. No, you go here in the video.
That's it.
That's it. That's it. No, this one towards here.
Let's go.
Let's see that.
I can drive back around and you can get it from another view.
In which area? Over there?
Yeah. I can drive back around and you can get it from another view over there.
Okay. Okay, guys. I will
Later.
see you later. I'm back, guys. So here we are. This is the another view location of that building.
If you're going to walk down there where you get...
So it walks forwards. We will look another good location of that building. We are in the BC road. Oh, this is it. See that, guys? Yeah, that is the Leaning Tower of Dallas. And that is love.
Safest place in the building, right dead center.
Yeah, during what is it, love? During tornado, that is. You will hide on that area. But tomorrow afternoon they going to implode. Am I correct? The word again?
Wrecking ball.
A wrecking ball. Yeah,
They tried to implode it.
Yeah, Miley Cyrus coming back. Wrecking ball.
They tried to implode it, so now we
But-
got to bring in a real piece of equipment.
Yeah. So there is. You can see Miley Cyrus in a wrecking ball. That's it. That is, guys, the Leaning Tower of Dallas. Just only 1 week that Leaning Tower. But at least 1 week become popular. Another skyline view here in Dallas, the Leaning Tower. Okay, guys. I'll see you next time. Take care. God bless.